Ever wonder what makes your favorite spread so creamy and delicious? Think about this. You're making breakfast and there's a jar of Nutella, almond butter, or peanut butter on your table. Whether you're spreading it on toast, swirling it into oatmeal, or sneaking a spoonful straight from the jar, these spreads are a staple in kitchens around the world. Nutella is a beloved spread known for its smooth texture and rich chocolate hazelnut flavor. But have you ever wondered how it's made? From simple ingredients to the finished product in a jar, there's an interesting process that happens behind the scenes. Let's take a look at how Nutella is created step by step. It all starts with the ingredients that go into making Nutella: hazelnuts, cocoa, sugar, and milk. The hazelnuts, sourced from places like Turkey and Italy, are carefully selected for quality. The cocoa beans, which give Nutella its chocolate flavor, come from regions like West Africa, while sugar and milk round out the perfect balance of sweetness and creaminess. Every ingredient is inspected to ensure only the best are used in the process. The hazelnuts are the first ingredient to undergo a process. After they're harvested, they are roasted in large machines at high temperatures. This roasting process enhances the flavor by bringing out the natural oils in the hazelnuts, making them more fragrant and rich. After roasting, the hazelnuts are cooled down, ready to be transformed into a paste. The skins are removed from the hazelnuts. This is done using special machines that gently rub the nuts, separating the skins and leaving only the smooth hazelnut inside. The nuts are then ground into a fine, smooth paste. The grinding process is essential for breaking down the nuts into tiny particles, giving Nutella its signature creamy texture. The paste is ground continuously until it reaches a smooth consistency, ensuring the spread will have that melt-in-your-mouth feel. Once the hazelnut paste is ready, it's time to add the other ingredients: cocoa powder, sugar, and milk. These are carefully mixed in large machines, and the process continues until the mixture is perfectly smooth and combined. The result is a chocolate hazelnut paste that's rich and creamy with the right balance of sweetness. Before we continue with the video and my further explanation, I want to ask for your help. I am trying to reach 500 subs by the end of the year, so I do really appreciate it if you would subscribe and help me out. Almond butter is a delicious and creamy spread that's often enjoyed on toast, but have you ever wondered how almond butter is made? Let's take a look at the simple yet fascinating process behind making almond butter, from raw almonds to your favorite spread. It all begins with the almonds. Almonds are carefully chosen for their quality and taste. Most almonds used in almond butter come from California, which is known for its ideal growing conditions. Once harvested, the almonds are cleaned to remove any dirt, shells, or debris. This ensures that only the best almonds move forward in the process. After cleaning, the almonds are roasted. Roasting the almonds is a key step that brings out their rich, nutty flavor. The almonds are placed in large roasting machines that heat them to the perfect temperature. The roasting process also helps to make the almonds softer, which is important for creating a smooth butter. Some almond butter brands choose to roast their almonds lightly, while others may go for a darker roast to create a more intense flavor. Either way, the roasting process is what gives almond butter its signature taste. Once roasted, the almonds are cooled down before being sent to grinders. The grinding process is where the magic happens. The roasted almonds are crushed and ground into a fine paste. As the almonds are ground, their natural oils are released, making the mixture creamy and smooth. The grinding process can take some time to achieve the perfect texture. Some almond butters are smooth, while others may be a bit chunkier with small almond pieces still intact. To ensure the butter is perfectly smooth, the almond paste may be processed further through refiners. These machines work to break down any remaining bits of almond, making the texture as creamy as possible. Some brands may also add a pinch of salt or a little oil to help improve the texture and flavor. But pure almond butter can be made without any added ingredients. Transferred into jars. These jars are sealed and labeled, ready to be shipped to stores. The final product is rich, creamy almond butter that's packed with flavor and healthy fats. It's the perfect spread for anyone looking for a nutritious and delicious alternative to peanut butter or other spreads. And that's how almond butter is made, using quality almonds and a simple yet precise process to create the creamy spread we all love. Peanut butter is one of the most beloved spreads around the world, whether used in sandwiches, smoothies, or just enjoyed with a spoon. But have you ever wondered how peanut butter is made? Let's take a closer look at the process, from raw peanuts to the smooth, creamy spread that's in your pantry. The journey of peanut butter begins with peanuts. Peanuts are actually legumes, not true nuts, and they are harvested from peanut plants. After the peanuts are collected from the fields, they are cleaned to remove any dirt, shells, or other debris. This step ensures that only the highest quality peanuts move forward in the production process. Once the peanuts are cleaned, they undergo roasting. The roasting process is crucial because it develops the rich, nutty flavor that makes peanut butter so delicious. The peanuts are placed in large roasters that apply heat to cook them evenly. The peanuts are roasted at a specific temperature for a set period of time, giving them their signature taste. Some companies choose to lightly roast their peanuts for a milder flavor, while others prefer a darker roast for a more intense, smoky taste. After roasting, the peanuts are cooled and sent through machines that remove their skins. This is often done by a process called dry milling, where the peanuts are rubbed together to loosen the skins, which are then separated from the peanuts. The result is a batch of roasted peanuts, ready to be ground into butter. The next step is the grinding process. The peanuts are fed into grinders where they are crushed and ground into a thick paste. As the peanuts are ground, the natural oils inside the peanuts are released, turning the mixture from a solid into a creamy, spreadable paste. This step is crucial to achieving the smooth texture that many people love in their peanut butter. For those who enjoy crunchy peanut butter, some pieces of peanuts are left intact during the grinding process, creating a chunkier texture. After grinding, some peanut butter brands may add ingredients like salt, sugar, or oil to enhance the flavor and texture. However, many natural peanut butters keep it simple by only using peanuts, allowing the pure peanut flavor to shine through. Once the peanut butter reaches the right consistency, it is transferred into jars. These jars are sealed and labeled before being shipped to stores, ready to be enjoyed by peanut butter lovers everywhere. The final product is rich in protein, healthy fats, and that unmistakable peanut flavor, making it a favorite choice for snacks, spreads, and cooking. And that's how peanut butter is made, from simple roasted peanuts to the creamy spread we all know and love. Now you know exactly how Nutella, almond butter, and peanut butter are made. It's incredible how much goes into creating these delicious spreads, from the careful selection and roasting of nuts. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what your favorite spread is and how you like to use it. If you enjoyed learning about how these spreads are made, be sure to hit the like button and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.